Honey.
Yeah, I'm sure. God damn it! Why are you doing that shit?
Gotta get that shit on camera.
You gotta quit.
Alright, I'll stop fucking with you, man. I'll stay over here. What? Never mind.
What are you doing?
Nothing, man. What's everybody else doing? Ray! Oh, you're on camera.
Yeah, just doing my sideways though. Laying a sight to see. Is it straight?
Oh.
Is it a straight point?
Wipe that shit off.